Hey guys, welcome back to Parent Vibes. Today we're going to be talking about the top 7 superfoods for your baby. Now, if this is your first time on this channel, we talk about parenting tips and insight that help you on your parenting journey. So if that's something that interests you, bless that subscribe button. With that, let's get it started. Superfood number 1 is fats. Babies need a lot of fat. They actually thrive on this. This is an essential part of their diet early on. Mother's milk, the majority of the makeup of mother's milk is fats. 60% of a baby's brain is made up of fat. So you really want to get your good fats in for your child. We suggest ghee, which is great. It's good for inflammation. It helps eliminate free radicals and is anti-inflammatory. Number 2, eggs. Eggs are so important for your baby. It includes a nutrient called choline, which helps in developing the memory pathways for your baby's brain. So it's a super jam-packed food that has great nutrients in it. We suggest going organic. You want to preferably go organic, pasture-raised, just because General eggs, they have potentially GMOs and they actually don't taste as good as that organic pasture-raised. You'll really be surprised if you try them both. So definitely go with the organic. Number 3, chicken liver. Another great one for your baby. It has nutrients such as zinc, copper, and iron. Now with chicken liver, you also want to go organic. Do not want to be giving or exposing your child to GMOs at such an early age. Number 4, we have bone broth. Another great one for your child. It is great for your baby's gut. It's amazing for your baby's gut. It's gonna fill them up with all the right probiotics. And it's also a natural electrolyte solution. So if your child seems a little dehydrated, it's a perfect superfood for that. Now, if your child doesn't want to drink it, one way to incorporate it into your baby's diet is to cook with it, right? You can put certain vegetables in there as you're steaming your vegetables. You can add bone broth and the vegetables, the foods are going to absorb that into your food and your baby can have it that way. Number 5, we have coconut water. So for all you vegetarians, this is a perfect one for you guys. It is the most natural electrolyte solution. Matter of fact, the minerals in coconut water is similar to the human body. So you're really getting a full body nutrient for your baby when they consume coconut water. Number 6, we have salmon caviar. Now I know this sounds a little bit bougie, but remember, it's for your baby. Caviar is nutrient rich. From D2 to K2 to DHA and omega. It is a very important nutrient for your baby's brain development. So definitely want to get caviar. You want to go organic. There's a lot of caviar in the marketplace. You want to go organic with this item. And finally, number 7, we've got fermented sauerkraut juice. This is another item that is crucial for your baby's gut. It's going to help promote and good probiotics into their gut so their digestion can be well developed as they're starting to eat more actual food as opposed to just the baby food. That concludes the list for the 7 superfoods for your baby. Make sure you want to go organic with these items. Again, we do not want to introduce GMOs to your baby at a young age. It's going to give your kid the edge. And with that, catch you on the next one. Peace.